Just got my mouse pad. It's ergonomical. It's very good for the joints here, so I could actually be playing games and moving my mouse around. I like this setup. It's very good. Now the best thing about it, it has on the bottom, I'm gonna show you the bottom. Bottom, it has like a protective seals, like a non-slip, pretty much to keep a grip on the actual desk. And I have my monitors here that I work with all the time, and I like to make sure that it moves. It doesn't move too much, and I want to be able to play some games with my controller and everything, have everything near me. So this is perfect. I don't have to move anywhere. I like that it's flexible. It has memory foam here on the top. It's good for the joints, I said. It's very easy to actually move the mouse around. It has great contact with the mouse because it's able to move very slippery here. If you want it for movements, if you're a gamer, it's perfect. If you're doing work like I do a lot of video editing here. This is why I use it. And I use it a lot because it has to be within your joints, kind of bend it so you can rest on the actual mouse pad and enjoy it longer. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.